In this video, I'll show you how to build an automated trading strategy using the package Snow Eagle Trading, something that was not possible with manual trading before. First, we'll set up this package with all the required indicators for the strategy. To help traders get started quickly, we've also prepared a ready-to-use base template for this package. This template is designed to save time and simplify the setup process, so you don't need to manually configure each indicator. You can simply download the template and use it right away, without complex steps, while keeping the strategy structure intact. Next, to build an accurate buy signal, we need to clearly define the trigger conditions. In this strategy, the first requirement is the formation of a multi-OSC overlap signal in the OBOS zone, indicating strong agreement among multiple oscillators. Then, we look for divergence confirmation to validate a potential reversal, especially after price has moved into the OB zone. This combination provides a more structured and reliable buy setup, helping reduce early entries and improve signal quality. Next, in the hit bar section, we configure the multi-OSC overlap indicator. Here, select Signal Trade, set the condition to equal, and choose value x1. This means the hit bar must be a candle that generates a bullish signal trade, serving as the initial trigger for identifying buy setups according to the strategy logic. In the signal bar section, we use the entry signal from the divergence engine indicator. Set signal divergence, choose the condition equal, and assign value equals 1. This means that once the hit bar meets its conditions, the system will automatically search for a valid signal bar and execute the trade according to the strategy logic. Additionally, make sure to pay attention to the bar min and bar max settings, as they help define the exact signal range and maximize the strategy's effectiveness. Next, to build an accurate sell signal, we also need to clearly define the trigger conditions. In this strategy, the first requirement is the appearance of a multi-OSC overlap signal in the OBOS zone, indicating strong agreement among multiple oscillators. Then, we look for divergence confirmation to validate a potential reversal, especially after price has moved into the OS zone. This combination provides a well-confirmed sell setup, helping avoid early entries and improving overall signal reliability. Next, we duplicate the buy set to save time during strategy construction, instead of rebuilding everything from scratch. Once the new set is created, we adjust the conditions to reflect the sell logic. Specifically, in the hit bar section, we configure the multi-OSC overlap indicator, select Signal Trade, set the condition to equal, and assign value equals 1. This means the hit bar must be a candle that generates a bearish signal trade. In the signal bar section, we continue using the entry signal from the divergence engine indicator. Since this is a sell setup, configure signal divergence, set the condition to equal, and assign value equal for 1. This means that once the hit bar meets its conditions, the system will automatically search for a valid signal bar and execute the sell trade according to the strategy logic. This setup ensures consistent execution, reduces manual intervention, and minimizes trading errors.